The story of H. It is the school's summer fun day. In the morning, the children do fun things in the classroom, and in the afternoon, they run races. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet are in the hopping race. Mr. Harry starts the race. 1, 2, 3, go! He shouts and waves his hat in the air. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet hop as fast as they can. It is a hot day, and hopping is very hard work. Harriet is huffing and puffing by the time she finishes. Miss Hernandez gives everyone a tall glass of water. Did you like that story? That's the story for the sound of the letter H. What sound did Harriet make as she stopped running? Yes, she was tired, so she went. What letter makes that sound? The letter H. Now you are going to listen for the sound in words. If you hear the sound, you will clap one time. If you do not hear the sound, do not clap. Are you ready? The first picture is a hen. Hen. Yes, very good. Let's try another picture. Hammer. Hammer. Did you hear the sound in hammer? Yes, you did. Very good. Let's try another one. Glass. Glass. Did you hear sound in glass? Oh no, there's no sound in glass. Let's try belt. Belt. Very good. There is no sound in the word belt. Let's try one more picture. What about hill? Hill. Great going. Now we are going to learn the action to remember the sound of the letter H. Now look at Harriet. She's huffing and puffing. I want you to put your hand by your mouth, just as if you are Harriet and you just finished a race and you are tired. So put your hand by your mouth to feel the sound coming out. Did you get that? Are you feeling the breath of air on your hand? Right, let's do it again. Right, that's the sound of the letter H. Now we are going to write the letter H. Now, if you noticed, the letter H is a tall letter. There's a round part and it goes down and there's a hook part of it. So we're going to start on the red dot. So let me get my pen. You know I need my pen. Now let's see how straight we can get it. So I'm starting here. Go down. Oh my, it's not so straight, but it's going good. Back up, around, and a hook. Okay, let's do it again. Down, back up, around, and a hook. Okay, let's try another one. Little straighter. Down, back up, around, and a hook. One more. down, back up, around, and a hook. Did you get that with your finger? I hope you did. Remember where we start? We start at the top. H is a tall letter, so we start at the top. Work time. Get your pencils and crayons ready with your workbook. And now you are going to do some writing. The first thing you will do is the page with the tracing and writing of the letter H. And the last thing you will do is color the picture. Are you ready? Let's go.